Hello guys, welcome to this new video. So what I'm going to explain to you guys in this video step by step is how to set up pixel on Quora in 2023. So please stay tuned till the end of this video. Kindly pick up a book and a pen with you because you're going to find it amazing and you will understand everything I'm explaining through my video. Let's go. So guys, the first question I have for you is, what is the usefulness of pixel? This quorapixel is used to track all conversions that is gotten from a Quora ad. Do you understand? Okay, good. So this quorapixel also helps in optimizing your campaign. It also views targeted audience. So these are the top three usefulness of quorapixel. Jot it down, please. So now in this browser, I search for Google Tag Manager. So you go to your browser now, search Google Tag Manager. You click on Google Tag Manager, then it will take you down to this page. Okay, let me just click on it. So guys, I'm now in Google Tag Manager. Wait a little bit more. Downloading. Yeah, now I'm inside the Google Tag Manager. So as you can see this button, guys, click on this create account button. Once you click on this button, it will bring up something. Sorry about that. Okay. So I click on the button now. It's asking company name. Like I can't set up, like I can't name the country you are from, the website you want to run, everything about. So after that, it will take you down to this dashboard here, guys. It takes you down to your Tag Manager account dashboard. So in this Tag Manager account dashboard, what we're going to do here is we'll go to this new add in. You click on this button of add a new tag. Okay guys, the first button we are seeing here is tag configuration and triggering. But the first thing we are seeing here is, you can see you have to change this name to quorapixel. So guys, as you can see, I typed quorapixel here. You also did the same thing. So the first button here is tag configuration. You click on tag configuration, then this will come up by this side here. Can you see, guys? Here. So you will go to this search bar here. This search bar, click on it. You search for Quora. Okay, so guys, I typed Q, then it brought out quorapixel. So you click on quorapixel, immediately you see it. So while clicking on the quorapixel, can you see this, guys? Quorapixel ID. So this ID you don't have yet. This ID they are asking for here is not the ID that is on your Ad Manager account. Please take note. It is not the ID that is on your Ad Manager account. Now I will explain to you. I will go back to my Quora Ad Manager account now. Yes, I'm now in my Quora Ad Manager account. Remember, in my previous video, I explained how to run a ad, but the ad is paused because I am not basically running it. I'm just using it to explain to you guys. So guys, can you see this pixel and event button? Click on it. Once you click on it, you will be seeing this button, set up pixel. Click on set up pixel. Can you see, guys? There is two buttons here. Install manually, install with a partner. Install the quorapixel using a third-party platform like Google Tag Manager. Remember, we created a Google Tag Manager here just now. So So you click on the second button, then click on next. Guys, can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? What is this? This is Pixel ID. So this is the ID they are talking about in the Google Tag Manager. Can you see this ID they are talking about? You click on this button to copy to clipboard. So copy, then I'll click on done. You see, guys, so now I'm here. I'll paste that ID I got just now. After pasting the ID, so guys, after adding the next stage is event type. You click on page view, then add your email. Then now I want to add the second section, add trigger. So in this add trigger, remember I said you should click on page view here. Can you see this page view is what you're going to click on here on the all page. You click on page view. You can see that it is done now. Now click on save. You save on the button here. So now I have saved it. So I will go back to my Tag Manager. So guys, as you can see this submit button, you click on submit, then you publish. So guys, after clicking on the skip button, after clicking on the publish, remember, so you will see this page. So after seeing this page, you have to go back to Quora, then confirm the pixel is done successfully. Thank you very much, guys. Kindly subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell for my next video. Stay safe. Bye.